Ex-tropical cyclone Jude is still an extremely dangerous system and currently sliding over the southern parts of Malawi, causing heavy rainfall in those regions as well as large parts of Mozambique. Now, the system is expected to make a U-turn back into the Mozambican channel later this week, yet again strengthening into a cyclone before slamming the coast of Madagascar by Friday. Now, that tropical system, as well as a high-pressure ridging behind a cold front, is expected to bring in this onshore flow of moist air from a Thursday into Friday and Saturday for the coast of South Africa. Strong winds expected with also heavy rainfall in some regions. Some models are picking up from Thursday into Friday between 50 and 100 millimeters could accumulate over the vulnerable southern coast of KwaZulu-Natal between Port St. John's and Durban. So we'll keep a close eye on the forecast and give you regular updates, but please be on the lookout for any weather warnings issued by the Weather Service. But for now, let's have a look at your Wednesday weather. This Wednesday, a few more isolated showers likely to move over parts of KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga and Limpopo, but most of the storms expected to move over northwest and later reaching parts of the Bushveld and Gauteng, where we've got a yellow level 2 warning in place for the possibility of severe storms on Wednesday, and then also a yellow level 4 warning for damage and winds expected along the coast of the Western Cape as that Cape Doctor is expected to pick up. It's sunny and hot in the west. There you'll have peak performance on your solar panels, with a cloud blocking the sun, especially into the late afternoon over eastern South Africa. As mentioned, the Cape Doctor expected to blow fresh to strong from late afternoon over the coast of the Western Cape, and also an onshore flow expected over the coastal regions of South Africa. But quickly sizzling up here in the west with a high of 40 degrees in Vredendal, 39 in Clanwilliam, 34 in Worcester, peaking at 30 degrees in Cape Town. So we're actually a little bit thankful for the wind. 27 degrees in Hermanus and 33 degrees in Laingsburg. Lower 20s for the southern coastline, but heating up in Oudtshoorn and Beaufort West around 30 degrees. We're expecting an onshore flow along the coast of the Eastern Cape, blowing light to moderate at times, bringing in some cloud, a few isolated light showers, mainly over the Wild Coast, and then later a few thunderstorms expected to bubble up here over the northeastern regions, moving over Kua, Matatiele, and the southern Drakensberg. Similar conditions for KwaZulu-Natal, mainly cloudy skies, only isolated showers likely due to an onshore flow, and then later thunderstorms expected to bubble up here and there over the northern as well as the western regions, mainly cloudy skies for Mpumalanga, only a 30% chance for showers and also very isolated thunderstorms possible from late afternoon. Some models are suggesting almost no rain will fall in Limpopo, but our European model is picking up that a few isolated showers and thunderstorms are likely throughout Wednesday and mainly into the late afternoon. But most of the stormy conditions expected to move over northwest, with scattered storms expected from late afternoon. And remember, a yellow level 2 warning in place for the possibility of severe thunderstorms. In the Northern Cape, quickly heating up over the north with maximum temperatures just below 40 degrees in Springbok as well as Upington. A few isolated storms likely over the eastern regions and later moving into the Free State, becoming scattered in some regions with a yellow level 2 warning in place over Welkom. Isolated storms also likely to move over Bloemfontein. And then isolated to scattered storms in the forecast on Wednesday for Gauteng, with a yellow level 2 warning in place for the northern regions. And then into Thursday, we've got an upper level trough also strengthening and will work together with that high pressure system to bring stormy weather across South Africa, and also strong winds and showers for the coastal regions of South Africa. That is expected to spread along the coast of the Eastern Cape and reach the coast of KwaZulu-Natal on Friday. Remember, some models are picking up the possibility of heavy rain over the southern coastline south of Durban, so we'll keep an eye on the forecast. But for now, that's all from me. Have a lovely day.